Hi and welcome to Math Walkthrough on Cambridge IGCSE 2019 Paper 1 58012. For this video, we'll be skipping questions that are a repeat from the 58011. Question 1. Write 30682 in words. It is 30,682. Next, change 4365 meters into centimeters. This would multiply the original number by 100. Question 3. Insert one pair of brackets to make this statement correct. The brackets should encompass 6 minus 2 for the statement to be correct. Question 4. The probability that Tommy has his calculator for his mathematics lesson is 0.4. There are 120 mathematics lessons in a year. Work out an estimate of the number of mathematics lessons in a year that Tommy has his calculator. This would be multiplying the probability by its total. Question 5a. Subtract 123 from 1 million. The math should lead us to 999,877. Next, subtract 9 from 2. This is 2 minus 9, providing the answer minus 7. Question 7a. Shade 5/8 of this rectangle. There are 24 rectangles altogether, with 5/8 being equivalent to 15 over 24. We should be shading 15 rectangles altogether. Next, shade 2 more squares so that this grid has a rotational symmetry of order 4. Here are the 2 squares needing to be shaded. Question 8. The diagram shows 2 parallel lines and a straight line crossing them. Write down using letters from A to G the angle that is alternate to angle X. The required angle is B. Next, the angle that is corresponding to the angle X. This is angle D. Question 9. 50 students each choose their favorite color from a list of 6 colors. The results for colors red, orange, yellow, green, and blue are shown in the tally chart. Complete the tally chart. This is the remaining count against a total of 50. Question 13. The diagram shows a right-angled triangle. Calculate the value of x. Knowing that cos x is equal to 6.2 divided by 23, we can derive x from here. Question 14a. The diagram shows a solid cuboid made of identical cubes. Work out the number of cubes in this cuboid. By identifying the number of cube sides representing each of the length, width, and height components of the solid cuboid, we will be able to arrive at the number of cubes by multiplying these together. Question B. The diagram shows the nets of 2 solids. Write down under each net the mathematical name for the solid. The R, cone, and the pyramid, respectively. Question 15. A box contains 22 colored pencils. 6 pencils are pink, 9 pencils are blue, 7 pencils are yellow. Write down the ratio of pink pencils to non-pink pencils. Give your answer in its simplest form. The ratio is 6 to 16 and in the simplified form 3 to 8. Next, a pencil is taken at random from the box. Write down the probability that this pencil is green. There are no green pencils, so the probability is 0. Question 16a. Expand the expression. The required expression is x cubed minus 7x squared. Next, factorize y squared plus y. The required answer is y times y plus 1. Question 17a. Show that there is not a square number between 50 and 60. With the help of a calculator, the square root of 50 is 7.071. and the square root of 60 is 7.746. There is not an integer between these two numbers. Therefore, there is not a square number between 50 and 60. Question 18. A machine always takes 5 minutes to paint an 80-meter white line on a road. Work out the number of meters painted in 45 minutes. The length of the line is obtained by scaling it in accordance to the factor of time. Question 18b. Work out the number of minutes taken to paint a 2.8 kilometer line. Likewise, the duration in minutes is scaled in accordance to the factor of the two lines. Question 21. The diagram shows a semicircle with diameter 9 cm. Calculate the total perimeter of this semicircle. The total perimeter is simply the arc plus the length of the diameter line. Question 22. Jerry and Alan run around a running track. To run around the track once, Jerry always takes 90 seconds. Alan always takes 105 seconds. They start together at the same point. After how many minutes are they next together at that point? This is one such question where the answer is the lowest common multiple. Question 23. Rearrange this formula to make X the subject. This is how it's done. Question 24. Using a straight edge and compasses only, construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Show all your construction arcs. Start by having the compass open at a bit more than half the distance between AB. Next, scribe the arc from A and B respectively. Then a line can be drawn cutting through the intersects of these two arcs. Next, using a ruler and compasses only, construct the locus of points inside the triangle that are 4 cm from C. Here you want to position the compass at 4 cm apart and inscribe an arc from position C. Next, shade the region inside the triangle that is more than 4 cm from C and closer to B than to A. The required region is as shaded on the diagram in blue. That's all for this walkthrough. You can refer to our various segments of Quick Math should you wish to brush up your math before starting another one of our walkthroughs.